In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the Roblox Anime Weapons Discord server quick and easy. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is actually super easy to do, and it's going to work on both the PC app as well as the mobile app, just like so. Essentially, all you need to go ahead and do is just open up Discord and scroll all the way down on the very bottom left-hand sidebar until you see this section for add a server, which is that like little plus icon. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to bring up a create your server tab where you're going to want to scroll to the bottom and select join a server, just like so. Now in this section, it's going to ask for an invite link, but don't worry, we don't actually need one. You're going to want to go ahead and type in the following exactly like I'm showing you right here: Anime Weapons. It has to be all lowercase, all one word, no spaces, spelled exactly like this. If you're having any issues, screenshot this and then copy and paste it. But essentially, go ahead and type that in, hit join server or hit enter on your keyboard. And once you do this, you're going to immediately begin joining the Anime Weapons Discord server, where you can go ahead and choose to skip any of these, go through and choose what you get notifications for, and customize the experience to be whatever you would like. But it really is as simple as that. Now, when you do get in, you are going to have to verify with Blox Link, so just keep that in mind. After you do that, you'll be able to see the rest of the server, which is pretty awesome. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.